What's up? How are we all doing? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, the OGs of crypto. What's up to you guys? Shout out to you guys. Good morning. Holy smokes. I love all seeing you guys here in the morning. Shout out to Hannah. Hope you're feeling better, Hannah. Our prayers, our love goes out to you. Hope you're doing well. Get better. No one likes to be sick. Thank you guys so much for being here. We got Steve H., who I believe is Brewberry. My man, Brewberry. AVAX still doing the moonwalk. Is that the sideways action? I got a little bit of a moonwalk in me. Toe, heel, toe, heel, and then you get the brain fart and you forget what you're doing. Anyways, Darren does things. Mr. DDT from the top ropes, the Swanton Bomb, the man himself. He's doing things. What's up, Darren? Thank you so much for being here. We got Paper Planes, Mr. 210X Leverage, Mr. Man, Paper Planes, kicking butt, taking names, and Nick Musgrave, my man Nick, taking the AVAX trade with me. Now, we gave the setup. I feel like we have to go over this. That we gave the setup last night for the AVAX trade. Look, Nick's even got a better entry than the Otter Gang leader here. So we got into this beautiful AVAX chart. The setup was given last night. Look at this. Look at all these wins. I love to see you guys winning. My God, look at Jonathan Schaefer showing off with the 304%. And guess what? Bitcoin has popped off, okay? Here was the AVAX setup, okay? Here was the AVAX setup given in advance. Okay, so last night was a good night. We all profited from the AVAX setup. Beautiful. I am still in that trade. I've taken half of it out. Happy days, okay? Happy days. How are you all doing on this beautiful Tuesday / Wednesday morning / which day is it anyways? Good day, Space Invader. Space Invader in the chat. It's Tuesday on the East Coast and it's Wednesday here in Australia. So wild times. We got hockey playoffs starting. I don't know if you guys like hockey, but I'm Canadian and we love our hockey. Go Leafs, go. So looking at this, wow. I wish I was able to, hindsight is beautiful. But this massive pump, okay, what do I see here? I see this bullish divergence that I should have seen, okay? Should have seen it. Should have, didn't, okay? And I should have noticed that we came down a key level of support here. And we were rejected, okay? This is something I should have seen yesterday and should have looked for a long entry, even possibly up here, okay? My mistake. We all got bearish for no apparent reason. The charts told us what we were going to do, and we blasted off, okay? Beautiful, like 5-10%. Missed the bullish divergence. So 29,150 DDT got in. 21,950. Look at you. 29,150. That's the way. He likes it. Look at that. Rode that up so far for 4%. Darren does things. He's there, man. He's got it, man. He's killing it. That's amazing. What an entry. DDT in the house. Beautiful bullish divergence there. So we missed that, even if we saw it. See, now this is where I kick myself, because even though we saw it wick down here, when we zoom out, we can see that this is such a crucial level that we traded for 2 weeks, okay? Oof, those are some ugly charts, okay? We traded this area for 2 weeks, right? So we got to know that the bulls do not want us back in here, okay? They do not want us back in here. We should have had some hindsight is 2020. You know what I mean? We should have noticed that, hey, this is going to be tough for the Bears to break right now because we have such momentum to the upside. You know, we came down, we touched this area perfectly. We also came down, we like to talk about the 50% area on this giant wick up, right? So there was many signs to get into this long. We missed them as a community, and I apologize for that. You know, I'm trying to keep my eyes open, but we will catch the next one. That's the best thing about Bitcoin is that there's always more trades, okay? There's always more trades, just like this AVAX one that we are in, that was given in the Discord, and we are 40% up in profit. So there's trades to be had still, even if we miss some of the Bitcoin ones. Did you see my order flow screenshot I posted earlier in the Discord with all the short squeeze liquidations? Yes, I did. That was good. It had a big red circle on it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's the one. I mean, liquidation central, right? Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Wild. And that's what happens. That's what happens. Don't forget to like the video, my friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're here every single day, free Discord, constantly trying to help you guys become profitable, healthy mindseted people here at Alexo Crypto. I saw the massive liquidation chart. Now, people were putting on their hibernation bear suits all of a sudden, and we got rejected. Okay, so you can see the bullish divergence. It's played out quite nicely. It's come back up. That BTC long from the bottom was in the Discord well in advance. Look at this guy. Yeah, that's the one. So Mr. Brewberry was setting us up long in advance. So you got to be prepared not only for my TA, but other people's TA. Because there's amazing traders in our Discord killing it every single day, which we love to see because everybody benefits. That's why we build like-minded communities. That's why we're all here to help one another to grow and to prosper in this crazy, crazy world that we're living in this day and age. We got Gary Gensler under fire. Hopefully he gets what's coming to him, and we get someone new. I was checking out the Twitter, and all I see is Gary Gensler getting questioned. So hopefully there's some better news for North America and their Twitterverse. So we're keeping an eye on you, Gary. We can see that you're trying to ruin us, but you will not win. We will prevail. Markets are still pumping, and coffee is still brewing. Right, Brewberry? We need that coffee. We need that karate. That's the one. Kung Fu better than you do. So where are we? We're at the point of control. We're above 30,000, which is good. We're continuing to the upside. You know, every now and then a healthy retracement is positive for Bitcoin, okay? So we are at the point of control right now. We need to be trading the range like we were before. So what do I expect? We're back into an uptrend, right? In the short term, we came down. But now we're back into an uptrend. We look for healthy retracements, and we pop off. There was actually a beautiful trade right at 4:30 in the morning, or 4 a.m. in the morning when I was getting up. When we came down to the VWAP here, I was like, oh, I should long that. I should long the VWAP. And guess what? You don't trade right when you open your eyes. I mean, some of you guys do. You guys probably trade whilst you're sleeping. You probably have the whole laptop beside the bed, and your missus is saying, hey, please, do you mind closing your trades? And you're like, one more. But I didn't jump into this trade just because it was way too early. Steve's the cup and handle man. Uh-oh, are we going to have a beautiful Brewberry cup and handy? Yo, I longed it. Says Farmer. What's up, Farmer? Hope you're doing well. Good morning to you guys. Love this community. So we can see that we had another opportunity this morning. Yes, massive pump up, little retracement down, bang, bang, choo-choo train, right? So now we can see that we are heading upwards. Okay, we are heading back upwards. We had this cool down, money flow coming out and back into the market here, and everybody happy days. We're going to the moon again. Okay, very, very good, very good. Already took me profits. Already took me profits and adjusted my stop loss. I love to hear that. I love to hear that. Winning trades, my friends. Winning trades. That's the way. We like it. So yeah, we are at the point of control right now. Just a quick, immediate update on what we're doing now. We will look for a continuation of this to the upside here, and probably go for some liquidation. Now, where would the liquidation be? That liquidation would definitely be around the tops here. Okay, so we're looking for price to work its way back up higher here and come up for some liquidation. Come up for maybe even these guys up here. Okay, over the next day or two. Okay, so we're looking to grab some liquidation and possibly get rejected, or we'll see what the long term looks like from here. Okay, bang bang choo choo train. What's up, Dave Digital? Ace. I always lose a trade when I enter, when I wake up, even if it's at a level I've been expecting to stay away from now, because I was like, man, this looks nice off the VWAP, and I was like, nah, I can't do it. It's too early. It's too early. I got to set up for the live stream. That is my second rule posted on my wall. Don't trade as soon as you go. He has them posted on the wall. It's like, trade. Amazing. Liquidations above 30.5, currently up towards 30.8. That's what we would expect. Yeah. Up at all these shorts up here. They got their beautiful shorts on, and they got these stop losses that they want to come and get, right? All the way up here. They think they're all cool and stuff. Well, really, they're going to get eaten alive because they're coming for them. They're coming for them. Amazing. Okay, so we'll jump through Market Cipher. We'll look at Market Cipher and see what it's saying after this awesome pump. And believe it or not, on the 2-day, there's still a red dot. Hold up. We'll ask Market Cipher if it wants to give its head a shake, because we've pumped. Which way is the otter going to point today? Well, the otter today is going to point none other than up and to the right, okay? Up and to the right is the way we're looking for the otter to continue today. So we're looking up and to the right. We'll see what we have here. We'll take off some of these blinding TA things that we call TA. It's pretty much good, nice drawings, but going through Market Cipher here, we're going to go through and have a look and see what is going to show up, because we're waiting for this to curl over. And guess what? Bitcoin's like, nah, I'm not curling over. I'm just going to continue to the moon, right? So overall, this looks very, very bullish to me. If it doesn't look bullish to you, then learn some candlesticks. But we can see that if we do get a rejection here today, it could be something similar to this. So we've had 3 moves, right? ABC, 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to call it. We've had 3 beautiful, massive moves here. Up, and away. We can see that it looks like it's getting a little bit exhausted, okay? That's what it says to me. But look at 1, 2, 3 here. We can definitely see that overall, this is a major key level of resistance above us here. So we need to be aware of that. And we also need to note that we pump and then we come sideways for almost 3 weeks. Here it was painful. So at least we had a little bit more volatility. Here was very painful, this 3 weeks of flatness. So we want to be cautious looking at these charts here. Now, on the 4-day, the 3-day, these all look bearish to me. They all look like they want to curl over, and this bearish divergence eventually wants to play out. Will it happen? I don't know yet. We're waiting for a red dot. We're waiting for an actual curl over. Despite all this bearishness, we have pumped, okay? So this is a very, very strong uptrend. A lot of adoption coming into the markets and a lot of people bullish on crypto right now. And I think there is a lot of FOMO in the air. FOMO in the air. that is, people want to get in, right? People want to get in, and without looking at the charts, they wouldn't understand that we are at a key level of resistance that could possibly send us back down then to bring us up. Because if we are looking to accumulate our bags, we want to be looking for that retrace, right? And that's when we want to fill up our bags. So patience, 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 my friends, long-term trend. We're looking for it to work its way up. Now on the 2-day, we got a red dot printing, okay? What does that mean to me? Well, that doesn't mean anything just because of how volatile and how much pumpage there has been. Look at this red dot on the daily. We go into the daily. We can see that, look, we dumped, and then look, all of a sudden, we are back up to where we started. So look for this momentum wave to do one of these and then maybe continue downwards and possibly give us a divergence on the longer term time frames. But we're not counting on it. We're just counting on this thing to come in momentum wave and disappear into the moon. Okay. Something we need to be very careful about is these red dots are not playing out the way we want them to. Yes, we had a little bit of a move down here over a couple days, but nothing too significant. Okay. We're looking for price to get back into this area. Otherwise, we're looking to continue to challenge this key level of resistance above us, right? We're looking for new all-time highs for 2023, which is awesome for the whole crypto industry overall. So we got to be happy for that. If you're here for the trading, awesome. If you're here for the alts and the degen investing, we love you too. We're all here for the mindset to keep each other accountable, to help each other become profitable traders, not only mentally, but with our big bags of crypto. So I hope that all helps. I think we'll only have a decent dip when we get the next weekly red dot. Now that would be very interesting to see because we are looking for that curl over, right? So we've been waiting and waiting and waiting. We have yet to see any kind of red dot. We've got them on the 4-day. We've got it on a 5-day. So maybe this can, if we do curl back down, maybe this can creep over into a confirmed red dot. But right now, it looks like it's popping off, and if we continue upwards, this will get canceled out. This will not print, right? So be aware of that red dot on the weekly, but also on the 5-day. That could trail into the weekly. So we'll look for the 5-day to confirm and then build confidence towards the weekly. Absolutely. Thank you for pointing that out, Darren. Going into 12, now this is where we can see that money flow did dip down, but it did not get past the zero line. And this is important to note, is that we did come over and we did pop up. And this VWAP here would have been a good signal to initiate this massive pop off, right? We can see that it did cool off quite dramatically. It had one spike straight up, and now it's a continuation of that spike straight up. So very aggressive VWAP structure there. Also with the stochastics here, you can see that it is just like, off the 0.5 here, this 0.5 level. So Bitcoin's doing its thing. It's bouncing, right? It's bouncing. It's continuing to be extremely bullish. It's not letting go. It's coming down. It's grabbing key levels of liquidity, but it knows that it doesn't want to be in this 2-week sideways range that we had. So it had come down, it bounced, and now it looks to continue upwards, right? So what are my next thoughts for the trades? Well, I'm going to obviously trade the range. You know me. I love the range. I love me a good range. So going in to the immediate future here now at the 8-hour, we can see we're curling up on the 6, now into the 4. Okay, this is where it all gets a little bit different. We got a reversal. A 4-hour reversal. Now, have we had any of those in the past? Let's zoom in. Oh, and guess what? It didn't do anything. Okay, so don't just trade blue triangles, blood diamonds. Well, this one would have been nice. But this one, you see, it was not very nice. So green dot continuation. So look, we're coming up to the zero line here. The VWAP's curling over to the zero line. The stochastics is in the middle of the range. So we got mixed signals here. And it looks like, we're coming down quite a tiny bit here. So could come back down and bounce off this VWAP, right? First thing I would do is I would pull fib. are we bouncing off a golden pocket? The question is, yes, quite possibly we are. Okay, 786 golden pocket area. AOC is home on the range. Home. I don't want to get canceled. Home on the range. Too early. Don't want to just drop the massive beat and wake up Mrs. Otter, but whoopsie. Oh man, we have fun. So we can see that we've curled up. Stochastics in the middle. You have to be monetized to get demonetized. Home on the range. I think they get flagged though. And then I have to like delete areas of my videos. Not like this is the most quality time on my videos. Oh man. Okay, so we pulled the volume here. We're gonna look at we're gonna break down the Bitcoin price on the 4 hour here. We are at the point of control, right? We're gonna turn on our beautiful lines and stuff that we like to draw, and oh man, you guys make me laugh, man. I mean, there's no place I'd rather be at 4:51 in the morning besides here and in my bed. So, I mean, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you. I gotta hang I'm still hanging doors, guys. Aluminum sliding doors. I got this giant one I'm hanging right now. It's like a double bifold into 2 fixed panels. My God. Massive doors. I think I'm going to hide and watch the hockey game today. So you guys do you, but we'll be hiding and watching the hockey game. Oh my God. Look, it's David. He knows me. He knows I'm bearish. I've been bearish since the get-go. I'm a bear, naturally. I like to hibernate. I'm Canadian. I like to stay warm. It is the spring, though. I'm coming out to eat some berries now and going back in, okay? But yes, I am leaning bearish, man, because it's so hard to be a bull or a bear. Like, I don't even like it. I like to say that at this level of key resistance, I do not see us moving above it. How about that? Can I articulate myself differently? Maybe. Move to Texas and I will help you hang doors. It'd probably be fun. What's your low? Whew. I'm under the gun now from David. The Gary Gensler hearing is ridiculous. That man needs to get rid of his Mr. Burns haircut and get out of the crypto's way. I do not have a price target for you yet, David, but I promise you, I'm going to come over to your Discord and I will drop, not only in my Discord but in your Discord, I will drop my price prediction into your chat. I had a price prediction on the go. Where was it here? I think it was KuCoin. But this was way back in the bear market, okay? 12,856. Look at that. Imagine, guys. So this one is obsolete. This one played out so well, okay? This one played out so well. I was bang on. Ask David himself. This one played out so well throughout the whole bear market. We had all this, and we were like, no way. I was calling it to dump here. He was like, no way. It dumped. We had a good time. So I will do my little magic here, and I will figure out this leg, okay? I'll figure out where we're going from here. And then I will get back to you, okay? I will get back to you. My word. My word. Now, if you're in our Discord, David, you would have got the AVAX short with us. Up 40%, my man. Sending love to you, David. Go check him out. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Great guy. Great guy. I love you, bro. Love you, man. We got monkeys. We got monkeys heading to Texas. Yeehaw. Everything bigger in Texas. We love it in Texas. Hanging doors in Texas. Crypto, exactly. What a freak. What a clown. What a clown. Yeah. You guys get me all sidetracked, man. I love you guys. Okay. Over here to Bitcoin. Blue triangle. Reversal. Green continuation. Okay. Let's cancel those two out. We got a point of control here. Okay. We got the POC and the place to be. Right? AOC. Alex O Crypto. Here to stay. Here to stay. We're bouncing off a golden pocket. Okay. We're looking for a retracement. Guaranteed. You pull this one from here. All the way up. Ooh, we were looking to pop off of the bottom of that range. I think if we bring this up to here where this move started. Okay, so we're looking for a continuation here. Let's go deeper, deeper, deeper. I can't go any deeper. I didn't say that. I swear to God, I didn't say that. So, it's almost time to wear a toque. Do you call it a toque? My morning grooming routine. Okay, so I get up. I put on my Otter Gang hat. I get out the brush. I give it a couple strokes to the left, a couple strokes to the right. I pull down the bullishness. This is the bullishness. And then I pour the coffee. And I dunk the eyes in the coffee. This is the AOC morning routine video we're going to do. Coming out to Never. I like to get up. I meditate for 10 hours before I start at 12 o'clock at night. Actually, I'd have to start at like 6 p.m. yesterday. Okay, no morning routine here. Morning routine is get up, check the charts, get it to the otters as fast as possible because you guys are priority. That's the morning routine. Let's go. Dave Goggins on this. Dave Goggins. We're just out here killing it for you guys, okay? So right now we're looking for a continuation, right? Looking for the continuation, Dave Goggins style. Get up, fight for it, fight for your freedom. Let's go. We can see we're getting a push back down here actually. So we came up. We did make a higher high here, so look for a continuation. Yeah, so we made a higher high here. So look for this to work its way back up. Challenge this level again. Try to get above this one, okay? You can see that we're just flagging out. Looking like a reversal. Not. It's going to pop up, okay? So not financial advice. Here to help. We'll keep an eye on Bitcoin. But for me, it looks like Bitcoin's going to want to come and grab liquidity above this range, okay? That's just natural thinking, is that we want to come up and grab liquidity up here before anything big happens, right? That's it. We got the job box on my back. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. Let's go. Let's go. So, overall, we're looking to trade the range, right? We've come above the point of control. Now we're dipped down. So look for maybe, look for actually, this could be a possible setup here. We're getting a lot of red X's. We could come back down just to mess with you guys. They've probably gotten a lot of liquidations up here by coming up and poking up into the top here at 30,500. Remember, we talked about this level, 30,500, key level of resistance that we want to make sure that we don't get above if we are bearish. Okay, it has bounced off of that. So let's look for a retrace. Healthy retrace would be down to the value area low, probably a little bit lower. Okay, yeah. So we're looking around this area for a long if we're going to long. Okay, that's not a long. This is a long. And then we're targeting the highs, right? Tight stop losses. I'd be looking to scalp the range, though, along the way, right? Looking for an entry somewhere along the bottom here. Value area low. If we do come to it, I'd be looking around there. So 0.5 area, but look for maybe even a deeper one into the golden pocket here. Right now, middle of the range, I would not be trading Bitcoin. I'd be waiting for a reaction, mostly for a reaction up at the top, but also a retrace here to continue upwards, okay? Those are my 2 thoughts on Bitcoin in the immediate future for today. Bitcoin has done a 2.5x in 3 months, but people find it hard to believe that it will do another 2x within the next 6 months. New all-time high this year. Bears get wrecked. I know you're bullish. David. You bullish AF, man. I want to see your Twitter price prediction. Maybe we go over there. You can post something in the Discord, and we'll go over and check it out. Look at all these winners here. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I was working on my thumbnails. I hope my thumbnails look prettier. I've been trying to make them prettier for you guys. More clickable. Is that a word? Yeah, it's clickable. It's more applicable. Okay, over to the Dixie. Right, with the Dixie, we're looking for it to have a bounce here, okay? Jonathan Schaefer's bullish. Well, that's good. You come here for the counter news, which is good to challenge your thinking. It's always good. I'm neither bullish nor bearish. I am otterish, okay? I am absolutely otterish to the core. Otter gang all day. So we're looking to swim together in unison on our backs. I gotta blow my nose. Blowing my nose on the live stream is how we roll here. We're looking for the I'm sorry if that's gross. We're looking for the double bottom on the dollar here. If we can continue upwards, that is healthy for the bearers, okay? If not, we have this huge level that we've been trading in for so long that we're looking to lose the support and trickle down here so that Bitcoin can go to the moon for David, okay? So the more people hate on my all-time high thoughts, the more conviction I get. Everyone is in disbelief. They could be in disbelief. That is very true. That is very true. But Gary has something to say about that. Gary has something to say about that. Because Gary doesn't want you. Gary doesn't want you to be happy. Gary wants you to be upset. So if you guys are wondering what David's talking about, I'll pull it up for you guys because I'm that cool guy, who tries to help. So he's saying we are in disbelief over here. Are we in disbelief, my friends? I believe we're somewhere over here. I could be wrong. You could be wrong. We could all be wrong. Okay? But this is a suckers rally. Yes or no? Where do you guys think we are? This is not an advertisement for these guys over here, okay? Where do you guys think we are? Let me know in the chat below. Are we in disbelief or are we in depression? Right? Are we in disbelief or depressed? Disbelief. Remember, disbelief is further along the way. I should spell it wrong just to bug David. David, by the way, my friend David here, Lunar Beaches Crypto, he's very particular about how you spell things. So I spelled disbelief. I spelled it wrong. We are in disbeliefy. just to get you going, my man. I love you, bro. None of the above. Oh, we didn't add that. Dave Digital, where are we at? Are we in the Otter Gang? I love you guys, man. I love you guys. Keeping it going. Keep it. Hashtag trigger. Double bottom. We're going back up to all-time highs with the dollar index, okay? Oh, it's good times, good times. Looking for the double bottom to play out, which is bearish for Bitcoin. If it doesn't play out and we do continue to trickle down and we break through this key level of support down here, then we will see much higher prices on the Bitcoin, okay? So this is something I've been keeping an eye on. Make sure you guys are keeping an eye on the dollar. It does not look too healthy. It looks like a very, very strong downtrend here, okay? So we can see we're looking for some sort of relief in order to continue upwards. So what we're going to be looking for is to make a new high, right? So to get this moving above here in order to change the market structure back to the upside. And that will be bearish for Bitcoin, okay? If we continue to fall downwards, we'll look for Bitcoin to fly to the moon, okay? Something to keep an eye on here, okay? People are just clamoring for the dollar. Am I right? I like how he typed I first read that as Amarit. And I was like, what is he typing? It's am I right? Am I right? That's that accent. You can combine words into one. I know you, David. You can combine all those words into one word. Hasn't happened here yet. So we're looking at the S&P. If we do get a new high here on the S&P, look for Bitcoin to pump as well. This is very bullish market structure if we do make a higher high here, okay? Look for it to continue upwards. Right now we're looking for a rejection as bears and change of market structure. That has not happened yet. The S&P continues to climb up to this 4,200 area, right? We need to get above really this area right here in order to continue upwards, right? We're looking for new highs on this for a continuation pattern for the S&P to climb its way out of the basement that it came from and work its way back up, okay? Something we're also watching, okay? One thing to note is total. Have you been looking at total 3? Oh my God. Davey, tell me you've been looking at total 3. Looking pretty cool, man. It's come above this key level of resistance. It's flipped it now twice. It's looking to hold it. This is just minus BTC and ETH. You can see that alts are actually having their day, you know, and they've had some nice pumps. Today, I believe, was Gala's day. Yeah, Gala 9% down here. Link 5%. I hold Link and Gala. Awesome. It's probably time to cash in those bags. No, I'm not financial advice. You do your own thing with your portfolio. But looking at the totals, you know, you can see that we've come up immensely in the total market cap here. Boom. Ever since this bull run, right? Massive. I just said bull run. After this relief rally, we've come up massive run. And you can see that money has trickled out into Ethereum, into alts, right? As it comes out of the Bitcoin market cap, it comes into the alts and into the other risk on assets. We can also see this with Bitcoin dominance, okay? When we go to Bitcoin dominance, we can zoom out here and we can see that, boom, massive injection of money into Bitcoin dominance. We pumped and now we are cooling off, which means money is leaving Bitcoin and going into alts, okay? Look for this key level at 47% to hold. If it doesn't, and we lose this means that money is going to trickle into small caps, large caps, and alts eventually. So very, very bullish news if this continues downwards, and yet prices continue to come upwards. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Looking at the VIX, we did do some research on the VIX, and we were correct that we do have volatility index, and we are massively down right now, massively down. And depending on how long we stick around at the bottom of the VIX, if we are below around 17% here, we are looking for bullishness. We are looking for bullishness. This is the market highs from before. We are just starting to get down into these levels. We have lost these levels here that were holding us up and making us very bearish. But VIX, the volatility index, this is for the S&P 500. It typically trades opposite to that, and it's a very good index to look at how the rest of the markets are behaving. Okay, so overall, look at these pumps. Gala flying off the radar. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We got pumps all around today. Very green looking market. Link, holder of Link. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We had given some trade setups on Link, but we didn't give one last night. People were looking at Link shorts. I was not able to jump into that, but we were able to jump into the AVAX short. We are still currently in that one, looking for that to continue to the downside because I had a massive pump up into key level of resistance. If we zoom out, we can show you exactly what we're looking at. Key level of resistance here for this chart. We can see that we had the measure move here. Look at this. Alexo Crypto using patterns. Boom, came up. That was the height of that pattern in my opinion. So I was like, okay, we need to cool off a little bit. We also got some beautiful bearish divergence that we showed as well. We got the down and the up here, bearish divergence. You can see that. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's why we took that trade. Trade setup was given in advance in the Discord, helping you guys stay profitable, get those bags, fill them up. We're going to continue to the downside here on AVAX, hopefully, and look for Bitcoin to come up and grab some liquidity. Be careful with alts. It's the Bitcoin show for now. We will have some outliers pump, but nothing too crazy just yet. I agree. So we're going to continue to watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin is having its way with us. It is the new digital gold. It is flying. Don't forget to buy your boomer coins, okay? Going down to the DGen 1 minute now. We can watch price action together, or I can go and have another morning coffee and take the kids to the pool and get ready for work, or we can sit here and look at some more trades. But nonetheless, I'm very, very satisfied with that stream. I hope you guys are too. If there's anything you guys want me to look at, I would be more than happy to. But overall, we're looking for Bitcoin to come up, challenge this 30,500 again, or we're looking for a retrace down low, okay? We will be in the Discord. We will be watching the hockey game, but we will be in the Discord. We are looking for the VWAP to hold us up for the rest of the day. I don't see us losing this level just yet. The Bulls have made quite an effort to get us back up into this zone. So we are at the point of control. We are going to wiggle around the point of control for a bit, and we'll see what we can do. We've come up. We've been rejected. So look for this to possibly come down and then back up. Very much in the middle of the range. I would not be trading this unless I'm looking to scalp. And if I am looking to scalp, I can see that we are in a minor downtrend, which we have made a new high. And overall, we're getting many reversal triangles. Holy smokes, that's a lot. 4 in a row. Tic-tac-toe. Isn't it 3 in a row, tic-tac-toe? Anyways, so looking bearish here in the short term with all these red dots. I mean, you can't just trade the dots and stuff. You can see money flows coming out. We don't have... I don't see much bearish signs, to be fair. Do we have any bearish divergence on the short-term time frames? Nothing that's significant to me. We've come up. No, I don't see much of a bearish sign right now. I see that we're in the middle of the range and that we need to come up and try to grab more liquidity up top. We wouldn't have made this massive move back up into this range if it wasn't done with running upwards. So to me, this just tells me that we are going to work our way back up and challenge the highs again. Delta Chai, how's it going, man? So glad you made it. Shout out to you, my man. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for commenting, being part of this community. Appreciate you. Top 10 is here, so we're going to go over and look at ADA because top 10 just asks me to always look at ADA. And we've come down. We've come down, my friend. We've cooled off on the ADA train, okay? We've cooled down. We're coming back to this 42. Pump the Ponzi. Let's go. We're looking for the Ponzi, the ADA gang, to come down to this 42 cents area. We flipped it to support. Happy days, okay? Happy days. To me, this looks like a head and shoulders. I don't know about you, but to me, it might look like a head and shoulders. Be careful. Quad H, huh? Delta Chai. Welcome to the beautiful live stream. We're so glad you're here. You made it, my man. You made it. We were just going over, the Dixie, the S&P, the VIX, how it's all looking to make a move. We're looking for a higher high on the S&P. We are looking for a double bottom on the beautiful Dixie here. We are looking at the VIX. It has not cooled down. It's continuing to the downside, which is very bullish. We are looking also at our beautiful AVAX trade setup, given in advance in the Discord. We shared that last night before we went to bed. Took the trade up 40%. We are crushing it as a community. We love it. People are winning. We love to see that. And we love the entries. Jonathan Cipher killing it as well. Darren does things with the massive bullish divergence entry. We are all doing very well. Thank you guys for being part of this community. Much love to every single one of you. I mean, I got to go and get ready for work. So we're going to close this thing down. We missed the bullish divergence here to the upside. We are looking for a continuation here and for Bitcoin to come higher, okay? Right now we're at the point of the control, very stagnant area. We look to continue in this range and challenge the highs and the lows. So we will be shorting the highs and longing the lows, obviously with multiple confluences, not just by itself. We want to add to our confluences to make the trade more in our favor. But at the end of the day, we're practicing good risk management, making sure that we have our mindset in check, using our stop losses, preserving our capital, being kind to ourselves and to others, spreading the love, spreading all of the good stuff. Because guess what, guys? You guys are awesome. I appreciate every single one of you. I wouldn't get up at 4 in the morning, and stream at 4:30 if I didn't think you guys were awesome. Otter Gang, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you. Much love. I'll see you in the Discord. Go Leafs go. Peace out. And remember, stay legendary, my friends. Oh, I have messaged Sniper. No words from Sniper as of yet. We are waiting for confirmation on Sniper's Nightmare. We have messaged him and we hope he's all right. We are asking, I'm getting fired by Otter, top 10. Sacre bleu. Je ne sais pas, mon ami. We have a green dot, my friend. It is going to push us upwards. Okay? It's going to the moon. La moon is on fire. We don't need no water. Let the Looking at a short on the VWAP on ADA. Ooh, yeah. Look, here it comes. Here it comes. I like that. That looks cool. Do we got confluence? Oh, yeah. 0.5. Golden pocket. I go a little bit higher. Golden pocket's up here. ADA is working its way down, my friend. Down right now. It has been pushed down. Actually, quite aggressively. We have this 42 cents area. Okay, this is key for ADA right here. So 42 is very key. That's where I'd be targeting. You can see it's like even a mini head and shoulders here. Don't make me do like life or TA, please. Oh, you guys are great. Look at this. Yeah, you can see aggressive downtrend here, right? Then you can see pop back up with the pump, but you can also see that, down, bear flag, down, right? You'd expect down again, right? 1, 2, 3, right? Something like that. So yeah, be looking for ADA to come down. It can always go lower. And it can always go higher. Right now, the probabilities say that, hey, ADA, you've come up, you've made a new all-time high for this beautiful 2023 at 46 cents. Much more than we thought you could. Pumped up. Beautiful. Overall, we can see that you got a lot of growing to do still to come up to this area here, right? So if you pull volume all the way across ADA, you can see that you're in this spike now, which is very healthy, right? You've gotten out of this zone down here, and you've worked your way into this zone here. So look for a bounce off to the 42. If not, look for yourself to work up to this level here, which is at your 46, right? You have a range now, a bigger range, right? So you'd be looking to trade this range. We'll change the color for you, my friends. Until it's broken, right? Until it's broken. You guys gonna make me late for work. Jasmine quickly for Delta Chai. Thinking of shorting Jasmine. Looking exhausted. Looking to curl over on Jasmine on the daily. Golden pocket. Rejection. Double top. Rejection. Golden pocket within the golden pocket. Yes. Okay. So, Jasmine looking to get rejected. Possible short entry. Questionable. Because we're in a very, very aggressive uptrend. Okay? Very aggressive uptrend. Can this be a double top where it's looking to reverse? I'd be careful with the Jasmine short right now. I'd be very careful. I'd be looking for it to grab liquidity up here before it continues completely down. That's the one. Okay. Mrs. Otter is awake. Hope you're all doing well. Remember, stay legendary. I will see you guys in the Discord. You guys are amazing. Don't forget me, top 10. I'll take the greens. AOC won't take. That's the one. Send all the herbery to TRD Farmer. I'm a sober man. So much love to every single one of you. Thank you guys so much for your support. Be careful out there. I will set you guys up with some trades. Hopefully later this evening. God bless you. Much love to every single one of you. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Peace out. Gotta go to work. Bye.